A cinnamon apple cake enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee is everything that can make your autumn moments even cozier alongside your loved ones. Hello, I'm Goli, and today in Miss Cake Kitchen I'm going to teach you how to make an incredibly easy yet absolutely delicious cake. Let's get started. First, peel 2 apples and cut them into small cube pieces. Mix the apples with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Now, in a large bowl, we thoroughly mix together 60 grams of room temperature butter, 60 grams of vegetable oil, and 300 grams of sugar. Mix them until the mixture is completely creamy and smooth. Then we add 2 eggs with a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix them until the eggs fully absorbed. And don't forget to scrape down the bowl. Now, we add 200 grams of Greek yogurt and blend everything together until it's well combined. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Add 15 grams of baking powder and a pinch of salt to 300 grams of flour. Stir well and sift them into the mixture. Gently mix the ingredients. Don't overmix the batter. Chop the walnuts until they're just right size to have a bite of crunch. Grab an 8-inch cake pan, cover it with parchment sheet, spread half of the batter into the pan. Then sprinkle 2/3 of the cinnamon sugar mixture over the batter. Make sure to leave a little space around the edges. The rest of the batter with apple, cinnamon, and walnuts. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit about 15 minutes beforehand. Place the cake on the middle rack and let it bake for about 45 minutes to an hour until it's fully cooked. This cake is the perfect treat to enjoy on a cozy autumn day. I highly recommend you make it and savor it with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and definitely share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you'd like the next video to be about.